Hello students, welcome back. Before moving to the class, let me start with the proverb. Practice makes the man perfect. So go on practicing, then only you can achieve your goal. Today's topic is 6th standard social science, geography unit 1, universe and the solar system. Geography unit 1, the universe and solar system. Introduction. This lesson focuses on the universe and the members of the solar system. It also deals with the motion of the earth and it talks about the spheres of the earth. The universe. Children, you have noticed the stars in the sky. It's so far away that they appear to be small, but they are really huge in size. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into existence by a massive explosion called Big Bang. These celestial bodies together are called the universe. Celestial body means nothing but a heavenly body which consists of moon, planet, asteroids, etc. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and natural satellites. These are collectively called as celestial bodies. Look at the picture of galaxies. It's a huge cluster of stars. Comets is a celestial object made up of a head and a tail. The head of a comet consists of solid particles and are held together by eyes, and the tail is made of gases. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the sun. Meteoroids is a small rocky or metallic body in outer space. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 million years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Solar system. The word solar is derived from the Roman word sol, which means sun god. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system which comprises of the sun, the 8 planets, the dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Under solar system, all the planets rotate anti-clockwise from west to east on their own axis except Venus and Uranus. The path in which the planets move around the sun is known as orbit. The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. The sun is made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. The sun is a star. It is the source of light and heat energy to the entire solar system. Sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. The planets. The word planet means wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The 4 planets nearer to the sun are called inner or terrestrial planet. That is, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are terrestrial planet. The last 4 planets are called as outer planet or Jovian planets. That is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger to the gods. It is an airless and waterless planet. It does not have an atmosphere, so it has extreme of temperature. It has no natural satellites. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is called Earth's twin as it is almost the same size as Earth. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is often visible in the morning and the evening, so it is frequently called as the morning star and the evening star. Even though Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, Venus is the hottest one. Earth. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is called blue planet or watery planet because 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. It is the only planet known to support life. The Earth revolves around the sun at a speed of about 30 km per second. Life is possible on Earth because of the presence of land, air and water. Only Earth is not named after any Greek or Roman deity. Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. Mars appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface, so it is often described as the red planet. It is named after the Roman god of war. It has 2 natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the third brightest object in the night sky after Moon and Venus. It is named after the king of the Roman gods. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium like the Sun. Saturn. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is named after the Roman god of agriculture. The specific gravity of Saturn is less than that of water. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus was the first to be discovered with a telescope by the astronomer William Herschel in 1781. It appears green due to the presence of methane. It is named after the Greek god of the sky. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet and farthest planet from the Sun. There are strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Neptune has 14 natural satellites, the largest being Triton. It is one of the coldest planets in the solar system. The dwarf planet. Dwarf planets are small celestial bodies. Celestial meaning is heavenly body, consists of moon, planet, asteroid, etc. They are extremely cold and dark. They are almost spherical in shape. The 5 dwarf planets of the solar system are Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake and Haumea. Motion of the Earth. Children, have you noticed the sun in the morning, afternoon or evening? Is it in the same place throughout the day? No, it is seen in the east in the morning, overhead in the afternoon and in the west is evening. Have you ever thought of the reason behind it? This is constant moving of the earth around the sun. It seems that sun is moving, but it is not so. This is similar to what you experience when you are traveling in a bus or train. When you look out of the window, the trees, lamp post and other objects seem to be moving. But actually it is you who are moving. Look at the picture. Shape and inclination of the earth. The earth is spherical in shape. It rotates on its axis, which is an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, passing through the center of the earth. The earth axis is always tilted or inclined from the vertical by an angle of 23.5 degree. It makes an angle of 66.5 degree with the plane of the earth orbit. Rotation. It is the spinning moment of the earth on its axis. The earth rotates from west to east, anti-clockwise direction and takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds to complete one rotation. The illuminated portion of the earth experiences day, whereas the darkened part of the earth experiences night. Revolution. It is the movement of the earth around the sun. The earth takes 365 quarter days for it to complete one rotation. For the sake of convenience, we take it as 365 days and call it a year. The remaining quarter day is added once in every 4 years in the month of February. That is why February has 29 days once in 4 years. It is called a leap year. The inclination of the earth on its axis and its revolution around the sun cause different seasons. Sphere of the earth. The earth is the most suitable planet to support life. It has 4 major components: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Components of sphere. Look at the picture. Lithosphere, that is land, hydrosphere is water, atmosphere is air and biosphere where our life exists. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the land on which we live. It is the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil. Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as ocean, seas, river, lake, etc. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of air that surrounds the earth. Different types of gases are made up of atmosphere. The major gases are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon, ozone, etc. Biosphere. Where life exists is known as biosphere. The narrow belt of interaction among the lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the atmosphere where life exists is known as biosphere. A short recap. The universe was formed after the Big Bang explosion. Many galaxies are found in the universe. Galaxies means a cluster of stars. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. All planets rotate anticlockwise on their own axis except Venus and Uranus. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. The revolution of the Earth causes season. Children, I hope you have understood about the universe and the solar system. Anyway, be safe, take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.